I met David because we're both dentists and we work in the same building. I started seeing differences between our practices, and I really wanted to have the kind of practice that David has, and the lifestyle that he has. He takes off time, off of work to travel or spend time with his family. He does these really complex, cases and really fabulous cosmetic work, and those were the types of cases that I know that I wanted to do in my practice. Before the REM program, I did a few cosmetic cases, but I knew nothing about opening up the bite or really doing a full healthy reconstruction. The thing that's been different with the REM program as to other courses is, I would go to a CE course and I would see, how they do their reconstructions, and I would think I would be able to do it, but when the patient was actually there in my practice, I felt really confused on where I actually start and what the exact steps are. But with the REM program, it has both the formal aspect of, the clinical dentistry, so step by step, how you do a full reconstruction, but it also has more of a coaching aspect, really learning how to be confident in presenting a bigger treatment plan to patients. And so, the way that this program is set is that there's no downtime, there's no studying. It's just since day one of starting the REM program, I've been able to apply everything I've learned into my practice. Since starting the REM program, in my first 3 months, I already treatment planned 3 full arches with patients in my practice that, I'm seeing the dentistry in my practice now that was always there, but, I'm seeing it in a different way now after knowing more through the program. My production per hour and per month has gone up so much, and I'm doing the kind of dentistry that I want to be doing, which is enjoyable and it's fun and it's rewarding versus just doing a class 2s all day every day. The cost of the REM course is definitely worth it, absolutely. Doing one reconstruction, it pays for the course in itself. But the amount of knowledge and my confidence and who I've become as a dentist is by far outweighed the cost of the REM program, so definitely worth it.